Good morning, Steve Freed in Southern Illinois with the morning grain comments. Right now, beans down about 7 cents at 15.28. We've got meal and oil lower. Corn down 2 cents at 6.81. Wheat's down 8 cents at 7.44. Stock market looks like it's going to open lower with the dollar higher. Crude's lower. Gold and copper are lower, while some of the softs like coffee, sugar, and cotton are higher. In general, markets are finding some resistance at this 1537 area in the March beans and 683 in the March corn. Yesterday was a lot about money flow. Markets coming in concerned about Argentina weather. Right now, it looks like Argentina is going to go back into a dry pattern. So is southern Brazil. And as far as central Brazil is, there continues to be scattered showers, which is slowing some of the soybean harvest, but also adding a little bit of concern about corn plantings. So far, farmers there are beginning to harvest the beans, and so right now some of the logistics is slowing some of the beans to the ports, but Brazil soybean prices continue to be below U.S. Argentina crush is running at a pace well below what the USDA is forecasting for their annual crush. That and a December crush below U.S., below last year, could have helped the meal market rally to new highs. Overnight Dalian futures, we've got the soybeans on the lower, meals higher, while soybean oil and palm oil are lower. We're still waiting to see just how much soybeans China will import and where from. The same thing is in corn. We also note in the corn market that for the most part Brazil's out of the corn market. We also note that Ukraine has been shipping a large amount of corn, but there is concern about how much acres they're going to plant of the 2023 crop and how much will be available for exports. The United States is sitting in a spot where they could get some new export demand, and it seems like there is one end user, a large end user, that continues to be long the March corn futures as a hedge against future demand. Wheat market's lower again with the dollar higher, energy lower. The wheat market's going to be on the defensive, and for wheat millers, you want to buy big breaks in the wheat market. For farmers, you want to sell big rallies. You shouldn't have, whether it's corn, beans, or wheat, any 2022 crop still in the bin. You should take advantage of the, especially bean and corn rally, to clean out the bin. Not too many people are stretching out to new crop with uncertainty of the weather, but our weather guy feels that, southern plains will stay dry, but then they'll be a little bit better. You're getting a lot of rain in the delta and southeast right now, which should help the soft red winter wheat crop. And you'll be watching to see if any dryness pops up later in the spring in the northern plains and Canada. By the summertime, they should see rain.